Step by step now becomes then, gathering time, counting days and nights, fallen forward bodies in wind, water, waves, wave, and cloud patterns bright.
When people enter the campus from the trolley, they enter this ocean of words. And it's got to be kind of mysterious because, what do these words mean? I love that because that's kind of what the university is about.
It was a bridge that was creating, because of the tram, a new entrance into, obviously, the university. And just thinking about, well, what is that threshold from a place that is a kind of undomesticated landscape into a place of language?
It's an origin story that's dedicated to Kumeyaay, the first Kumeyaay woman. It's called Kumeyaay. I'm probably mispronouncing it. A Woman's Heart is the title.
So it starts on the east side, and these lines, if you followed each one, right reading sort of from left to right, you would get the full story of the first Kumeyaay woman.
KAHNOP means to tell a story, which is what they're doing as they wrote this story along the pathway that you read from east to west as you walk towards the ocean.
So the central word, like let's say the word singing, is the occurrence of that word in another text becomes the horizontal line with the word singing in the center. And so what you're getting is you're getting all these fragments, but as you walk across them, you're really stitching them into your own poem, your own narrative or not, by reading at the pace of walking.
She's a poet. She's a real poet. And her work is about movement and meaning.
I love thinking that someone might, find a line in there that then takes them down that rabbit hole of search into something that they need. Leaving, crossing, arriving, singing, citizens' worlds, beliefs, and practices shared, shoulder to shoulder, fast and slow, this and that, falling and walking, over and over, long days and many nights.